manufacture low-cost products. Okay? So when you strategize, you are in a dilemma whether to manufacture high value, high cost, or reasonable value, low cost products. You are in a strategic dilemma actually. Yes? And most times what you do is, like how my good friend said, you take a decision. Okay, let me do a differentiation strategy. And you come up with high value, high cost products which may fail in the market because customers won't buy, they may find it expensive. So this is a strategic dilemma that you will have because you have to do a lot of value trade-offs. Okay. So essentially, what is blue ocean strategy? A simultaneous pursuit of both differentiation and low cost. So now I will ask you to recall the concept of Porter's generic strategies, where you saw that either you can have a differentiation strategy or a low-cost strategy. Yes? For example, Edgar's or I don't know what shops here sell very high value Woolworth, maybe high value clothes. Okay, it's a differentiation strategy. Okay, or a place like ShopRite, which sells everyday low cost leadership strategy. But then, when you adopt a blue ocean strategy, you adopt a strategy of differentiation and low cost. Let us see in the coming slides how you are able to do that.